Hey guys, this is Cody Armstrong at Long List Ford, and check this super great looking truck out right here. So this is a 2020 XLT F-150, four-door, four-wheel drive FX4. And so we've been getting it a lot here lately. You know, we want to get a leveling kit and larger tires and lift kit, just whatever. It comes with all this. So what our new Nitto package will come with will be Nitto tires, a leveling kit, tinted windows, WeatherTech floor mats, and the speedometer is automatically calibrated. So this one's already got the sprayed in bed liner from Ford. So as you can see right here, this truck is priced at $51,985, exactly how you see it currently. So you can see the Nitto tires right here that we put on brand new. They're LT 285 65 R20, so these are 20-inch wheels. You can see they're the black wheels. You can see everything on here is blacked out. Even the F-150 here is blacked out, so it's got the sport package on there. From just looks super good. Looks like some sort of, I don't know, army truck with that color. But check out the inside of it. Remote start, navigation, heated seats. You can see the WeatherTech floor mats are already in it. It only has right around 43 miles on it, so it is brand new. Check out the back here. Already has the WeatherTechs in it back here. FX4, just like I said, grayed out, just like the color of the truck, which looks really good. The F-150 back here, it's already got the black lettering in it, which is super cool as well. You've got the step on the tailgate back here, and then it's already got the Ford sprayed in tough bed liner in it, so you don't have to worry about anything like that. Like everything that you would want done to a truck, this has already been done. So for $51,985, you can buy this truck and 100% be like, this is exactly what I wanted. And so for the extra money, we went ahead and put it up there for you so you can finance it in with it. So for $51,985, you get exactly what you see here, 2020 Ford F-150 XLT FX4, leveling kit, Nitto tires, already got the speedometer calibrated, windows tinted, and WeatherTech floor mats. All done. Everything's already done. All you've got to do is come pick it up and buy it. And buy from me, Cody Armstrong, Long List Ford. 662-665-5790. I just stood out here in the rain just to show you guys this truck because it looks super good. So come buy it from me. Thank you.